Hey guys, welcome to my channel. The name is Jeannie and thank you for tuning in. According to YouTube, you have to have 1,000 subscribers as well as 4,000 watch hours before you can qualify for Adsense. I'm a small YouTuber and I know a lot of small YouTubers out there who haven't reached this target or this goal, but I know definitely we'll all reach there someday. I just put up some 5 ways you can make money on YouTube without Adsense. So let's go ahead and dive right in. The first point I want to share is offer services. What are you good at? Is it makeup? Is it modeling? Are you good at making intros, outros, banners, thumbnails? There are so many YouTubers out here who are looking for someone to make their intros for them. If it's makeup, of course, now makeup artists are really making good money. I know some makeup artists who charge like $100 an hour. Create videos about your skill. If it's modeling, you'll be shocked at someone contacting you to be in his music video or in their commercial. The second point I would like to share with you is you can get paid for a spot in an end card. People are looking for various ways to actually promote their channels and their websites. You can link their website or their channels in the card in your YouTube videos and you can make money by doing this. People are making like $150 to $300 every month just doing it. I actually have a friend who makes like $200 every month by just doing this. This is another great way of making money without AdSense. The third point is paid sponsorships. So you can reach out to clothing companies, hair companies, or makeup brands and tell them about yourself and what you do on your channel. You'll be shocked that you get some companies who will agree to work with you and actually pay you to advertise their company. Well, the worst they can say is no, but it's better to try than not to try at all, right? The fourth point is sell courses. So if you have mastered a skill, you can go ahead and put it together. Most YouTubers are always ready to learn new things. So with that being said, you'll be shocked at the number of people who will be purchasing your course. Get paid to speak at events. So if you're a good speaker and you have good communication skills and you are able to inspire others by just speaking, or you have interesting views and facts, you can go ahead and make YouTube videos about this. You'll be shocked that makeup brands and other companies will actually reach out to you, pay you to speak at their events and their workshops. People are making so much money out of this and I hope you can also try this and make some money for yourself. Well, these are some few ways you can make money on YouTube without AdSense. I have tried and tested about 2 of these ways and they worked for me. And if you have also tried any of these ways, let me know in the comment section and you can also add on because I'm always looking for ways to make money without AdSense. I hope my small YouTubers out there will be able to reach the 1,000 subscribers and also the 4,000 watch time and they can start making some money off YouTube as well. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I love you guys so much and see you in my next video. Bye.